Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the beep sound when you start your PS5. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to turn on your PS5 and you need your environment to be quiet. Maybe you don't want to wake up anyone, or maybe you don't want to wake up your dogs. How do you actually go ahead and turn off that beep? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to turn off that beep, let's go ahead into settings, go ahead and click on system. Then next, you want to go ahead and click on to where it says beep and light. And then over here, you're going to see a toggle button that says mute beep sound. So this is going to mute your PS5's beep sound when turning it on or off, putting it into rest mode. So if you toggle this on, every time you turn on your PS5 now, you are no longer going to hear a beep sound. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off the beep sound on your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.